What's going on, everybody? I just got here to Subaru head office in Mississauga. The Toronto Subaru Club is putting on a car show here, so I'm gonna go check it out and see lots of Subarus today. If you like cars, keep watching. You might like it. Yeah, I know I'm a fan, dirty car series and stuff, but you know what? It's all good. It's all people that like cars, and so it's good to see. So get out there, people, and I'll show you what I find. Okay, like seriously, people, like holy crap, Subarus, love it. There are so many here today. Awesome. So cool to see. That's it, folks. Just here at Subaru Canada head office. The Toronto Subaru Club just put on a great show, and I'm done for the day. So I hope you liked the video, and feel free to subscribe and like it. See you soon.